Hello guys, in this video we will see how to take schema only backup and restore in PostgreSQL server. What is schema only backup? Schema only backup is nothing but to take objects definition backup but not the data. We can perform this action by using pg_dump utility with the option --schema -only or simply use the -s option. Syntax to take schema only backup is pgdump -d, then database name -caps u, then username -h, then hostname, then the option that is schema only or simply give -s. Then we have to provide the backup path. Let's see the example. First I am going to create backup directory. Now the command is pg_dump -u, then username that is postgres -d. Here my database name is R2schools. I am going to take the schema definitions of this entire R2schools database. Next is hostname -h and hostname. If you are using different host than this one, you have to provide. If it is localhost, you can ignore this option. -schema only or -s simply. -schema -only, then provide the greater than symbol and provide the path and the file name to dump. This is the path, and here I am providing schema only backup file name R2schools. Give the meaningful name schema only backup.dump and press enter. Here we have to provide the password for this user. See, it's completed. Let's verify. It should contain tables definition. More, then provide the file name. See, first it has copied the create type information, create function information. It contains all the, see here also it contains function. Here it contains tables. Like that, it has taken the backup of all the tables, functions, or views, or any objects definition to this dump file. Press Q to quit from this one. Clear screen by pressing Ctrl L from your keyboard. Next step is we have to restore these backups to another database by using PSQL. Syntax is PSQL -h, then hostname. If it is remote host, you have to provide the remote host, then -d, the database name, then -username of the host name, then less than symbol, and provide the backup schema only backup file name with the location. Before that, we have to create the target database if it is not exists. PSQL -c create database test R2schools semicolon and close the quotations. -c is the small one. Then provide the password for the user. It is success. Let's verify. /l. See, the database has been created successfully. Let's quit from this PSQL shell. Clear screen by pressing Ctrl L from your keyboard. Now restore the backup. Now restore the PostgreSQL schema only backup to this new test R2 schools database. PSQL -u username Postgres -d database name is test R2 schools. Then less than symbol, and provide the path of the, then provide the file name with the path. See, we have taken backup to this directory and this is the backup file name. Press enter. Then provide the password for the user. See, it is success. My database contains less than 20 objects. So it has taken very less time to restore the schema only backup. Even if it contains more than mine, then also time will be less because we are only restoring the definitions of the schema objects. Let's log into the PSQL and verify. PSQL /c R2 schools /dt. See, it contains 16 rows. Then switch to another or new database, test R2 schools. Then run the same dt command. It will give list of the tables. See, contains same number of tables, but it doesn't contain data. Let's verify this table. Select star from students. So it contains 0 rows, which means it is blank table in the new database. Let's switch to our source database. Let's switch to source database and verify. Run the same query against the same table. See, it contains 2 records, but here it contains only 0 records, which means we have done only schema only backup. So which copied only the object's definition. So which means we have done the schema only backup and restore in PostgreSQL Server successfully. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.